The Hacker's Roadmap, how to get started. Hello, future ethical hackers. Welcome to our journey through the world of ethical hacking, a field where curiosity, creativity, and cybersecurity converge. First, let's understand the fundamentals. What exactly is ethical hacking, and why is it so crucial in today's digital world? Next, we'll explore the hacker's mindset. What does it take to think like a hacker? Now let's dive into the heart of our journey, the Hacker's Roadmap. How can you get started on this exciting path? Where can you find the knowledge and tools you need? We'll share a curated list of resources for learning ethical hacking. Once you've acquired knowledge, it's time for practical experience. How can you gain hands-on experience in ethical hacking? Before we conclude, let's talk about community. How can you connect with like-minded individuals and experts in the field? Now that you've got the roadmap in hand, it's time to embark on your ethical hacking journey. The world of cybersecurity is waiting for your contributions. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Hacker's Roadmap to ethical hacking. If you found this video inspiring, share it with fellow cybersecurity enthusiasts. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cybersecurity content.